Let's continue. So everyone eyes on the board. Here will you have my project. You are able to run Ruby to-do.rb. You are able to run to be Ruby to done. And I said, hey, the default, which is the simple version, it's like when you run a program, I don't want to show all the done items. I just want to tell the user what to do. Okay? So the user now, I update the to-do.rb thing to say, hey, if you did not give me any extra argument, I'm going to tell you what you can do with me. Okay? Extra argument. So here are the things I wrote up there. Okay? Here are the commands you can try, and then list to done. Right? What we're going to implement is add. Right? To add an item to our list. Okay? So it would be something like this. Put add, right? Add a new to-do item. So for example, you see that my app now will support this. Okay? Let's support it. Now, look, I have all these 4 lines. Maybe I can call this to-do.display instruction. Okay? Display instruction. Now, if I run this display instruction, it will complain undefined method display instruction. So what do? I take these guys and I go up here, display instructions, and I put them there. So this is just a nicer way to organize the information. Okay? Sounds okay. Now, I'm going to implement the add here. Let's before you run this program, I can just say, hey, I'm going to print out the arguments. Okay, so this is debugging. So in programming world, we call something debug, right? So you can say debug, maybe like that, and then so you can tell yourself what RV is. So I show you at the beginning 1, 2, 3. You get 1, 2, 3. So if I want to say add, right? Buy a movie ticket, I will get this. Right? Arc1. So for now, today, we only do the simple way. Buy a movie ticket, I put it in a string. So I will have add, and I have buy a movie ticket. Okay? So here, try this. Instead of sorry, I don't know how to add an item yet, you want to say to do dot add. And what is you want add item. Okay, let's call it add item. And what is the text that you want to add? This one, right? Huh? In the status? Well, here, argv. Add, which is argv 0. What is the item I need to do? 1. Okay? So then add item what? Arg what? 1. Okay? So now if you run this, now there's no more sorry because I'm going to call add item to do. And then you run this again, it will say undefined method add item for to do. Right, this is I'm designing, but I am showing you all the errors. So when you're at home, you're like, I've seen this error before. So up here, remember this up here I have a to do, I'm in to-do.rb. So then I need to define that method. What's the method name? Add item. What is the thing in the argument?
String.
Yes, it's a string. It's a line of text, but it's a string. So maybe I call it text. Yeah, maybe it's just text. Okay. So You can call it argument or anything. For now, you can even try this. Oh, I'm adding text to my to-do. Okay? So, for example, I make it very clear to you. I put it around this. It can be anything. You know, it can be your ta-da, you know, like that. Anything. Okay? So let's say add here. Oh, I'm adding buy a movie ticket to my to-do. So what happens is that if I do this list, I should see buy a movie ticket at the bottom here. Isn't it cool? We should try to do that. That's our goal. Right now, it doesn't do anything yet. Right? So let's add it. So I create a new item is item.new. Yeah? Text. Oh, what happens here? Item.new text. What do you think will happen? What do you think will happen? I will. Hey, let's look at the terminal here, right? I'm going to IRB. I require relative what? Item. Item. Let's say A is item.new, and I say buy a movie ticket. What do you think will happen? A.done is false. A.undone is true. But something is wrong there, no? What is A.title? Why a movie ticket? That's not good. That's not good. What we want it to be a new item is we have to add this, right? Then A.title will be buy a movie ticket. So now up here, you very simple. Add a minus to it and put it before the text.
Minus with the space.
Yeah, minus with the space. And of course, you can also put it in the same string. It's the same. Right? So you adding this to your as a new item. So of course, if you want to add it as a done item, you can just do a plus. But in this case, I want to remember something I need to do. So new item, I'm done. So I have my list. Remember my list? So I need to list the items. Yeah, I have listed items. I'm going to add it to my list. Is that okay? Is that okay? And then maybe I can now say put done, right? Your new to-do items are, right? And now I can call the display one. From here I can call display. Okay, let's see add item here. Add item, take a string, put it into the list, and if I call display, remember display down here? It's like calling list. So let's try. I display it so I can see. Add buy a movie ticket. Do you guys see this one? Because now I display the new list. Let's try that. Can you guys implement this? And I'm on your computer right now. So it's a string. It's two arguments here. The first one is add, and the second is buy a movie ticket. Okay. And you know that line 47 here is it can help you. It can help you understand what argv means. What I'm asking you to do is move the stuff to display instructions. And the main thing is this line of code. If the first argument is add, you write something that say add item. Okay, go ahead and try that on your machine.